Hey guys, welcome back to the wood shop. This week's video will probably be coming out, even though I'm recording it a little early, it's probably coming out around Thanksgiving, just in time for the holiday season. And this happened to work out pretty well. I had planned on doing some type of a holiday video, and I thought originally doing maybe some stuff on a wood lathe, the snowman or Christmas trees or something like that. But this one kind of landed in my lap. We've been busy in the wood shop here doing a lot of projects. And as you can see, this big stack of lumber here, we're going to turn that into something holiday themed. So if you want to see what that is, just stick around. So as you can see, this wood we're going to be working with today. Now this, I think at least, is going to be a fairly quick project, fairly quick turnaround. The customers actually sent us a picture and wanted us to do a snow sled or a Christmas sled. It's going to be for decoration. We just got a picture to go by, and so hopefully we can figure out how it needs to be. But you can see that for the most part, that's some rough wood I've got from my buddy Opie down there at the sawmill. Some of you may remember the video we done with him, and we're hoping to maybe do another video soon. He's got some things going on. As of this moment of recording this, so hopefully when the video comes out, there's no longer issues, but his mother's having some health issues at the moment. So hopefully, she gets over that. Prayers sent to her and the family. Hopefully it's nothing too major. But either way, he sent me this wood here, and I am pretty sure, which a lot of his stock is hemlock, which is, kind of a relative to pine. But he's sent me these things, and I've got a pretty good stack going right now. We just finished up 4 projects and got this one going in, and then 3 more right behind this one. So busy. But either way, let's get started.